rainy ass motherfucking day. If you have the hiccups, okay, suck in your breath, hold it for 10 seconds, count to 10, but you gotta hold it right here, okay? Then think about an elephant, a regular elephant that got purple spots on it, okay? Think about an elephant with purple spots that start walking around and just doing what the fuck ever. Then think about more animals, maybe a lion, a tiger, or a bear that has purple spots on it while you're holding your breath, okay? Swallow your breath. Do not release it. Swallow it, okay? While you're thinking about that motherfucking purple elephant with the fucking purple spots and the motherfucking purple panther with the purple fucking spots, hiccups gone, nigga. You're welcome.